Hey friends! Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Selle. Today's video is refrigerator clean, organize, and restock with me. It's been a few months since the last time I cleaned my fridge, so this is long overdue. I need to give this a good wiping and cleaning. Wash the acrylic containers since it's been a while and fingerprints accumulates on them. Reorganize the areas that didn't work the last time I organized this fridge. Check expiration dates and restock it as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and find it inspirational and helpful. Let's do this!
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no one's no more.
And if you're curious what I use to clean inside my fridge, it's always water and vinegar mix. That's what I feel safe to use around our food, and for the outside, I use Weiman stainless steel cleaner and polisher because it always leaves it spotless and super shiny. If this is your first time visiting my channel, hello and welcome! I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a wife and a full-time working mommy of one sweet boy. I upload new video every single week about realistic cleaning motivation, satisfying home organization, and a little bit of mom life. I would really love it if you subscribe to my channel and join my YouTube family for more videos like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and tuning into this video. I truly appreciate all your love and support.
I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know, yeah, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now. friends with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay. Cause baby, I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. Why you tryna fight? Just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring
I hope you find this video motivating and helpful. I hope I inspire you to get up and tackle your own mess at home or your to-do list. And if I did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up as it helps my channel. Comment down below and share this to your friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, it's totally free, and turn the notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any more of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate you and your time spent with me, and I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye!